Well, hey guys, and welcome back to Witching Around with Leslie. You just came right on time. I was right in the middle of doing my hair. I'm a little incognito, but we'll get to that in a minute. Thank you so much for joining me today. So let me explain why this video is what it is. It is basically a new DIY hair removal technique, and does it really work? I want to know if it works. I saw a quick video, a flash of it really, of this, of somebody wanting the dye out of their hair, the old dye, so they can change colors. And they used a boxed hair dye from, you know, the grocery store or whatever, a blonde one, and that it removed the color before doing before bleaching the roots, and then putting bleach over the already bleached part a little bit. Just I don't know how. I don't know if it's gonna work. I don't know if it really works. I don't know if this video is legit or not. It went by so quick that I barely saw it. I want to see if this works. I want to know if it works, and I want to let you guys know it works. I don't know if it does. I'm very big on not damaging my hair when I do it. I like having healthy hair. So I've been trying. I'm ready for a color change, and this pink stuff is having a hard time coming out. So we are, instead of trying a hair color remover and then a bleach, it's very damaging, and it can be very damaging, I should say, and can still be hard to get out. So we're gonna, supposedly this technique isn't harsh, and then you can still do the bleach, supposedly. But I'm willing to try this out for you guys. So yes, I'd really like to know if it works, and that we're gonna do just that today. So you're gonna have to be joining me to the bathroom. I'm inviting y'all. But first, you gotta go like, subscribe, hit the bell, and don't forget to leave me a comment letting me know if you've tried this or any hair technique that works for you. I am so interested in hearing it. So let's get to it, all right? Let's go to my bathroom. Wait, that didn't work. Let's try it again. Whoa, how did I get here so fast? So today we have this box dye. Brand doesn't really matter too much. I just went with the cheapest one because it does the job. It's a basic one, so I went with this. And let me show you the condition of my hair. I've been trying to fade it for about a month with like shampoos and stuff, and washing it more often, but it's stuck. I mean, after over a year of depositing the same color over and over on it, it gets stuck there. So yeah, that happens. This is what happened. And so now we're working on getting it out because the changes are coming. And let's go ahead and get this started. I'm eager to know if this works. I want to know if maybe, you know, I've been doing my hair for a long time, and maybe I found a new way to change hair color. We will see. So of course, read the instructions fully before you get started, especially if you've never dyed your hair before, done anything like this before. Please read. Even though I've been doing this for many years, I still go over the instructions. And also, don't ever forget your handy t-shirt that you don't mind getting ruined, possibly getting ruined, depending on what you're using. Yeah, don't forget that. Big important, unless you want to ruin your clothes. What is this? The cream color developer. And the ammonia-free colorant. So step 1, step 2 so far. Came with gloves, which of course around here. So we're going to go and use these gloves. These are just so harder to work with than the latex ones, but I don't have any up here right now, so I'll just use these for the time being. So first you put on the gloves, and then you gotta snip off this tip. And, it could possibly build pressure, and then when you open it, it's gonna explode everywhere, pretty much. It's gonna explode, but it'll definitely build pressure and come out. So you snip off the tip, and then you pour it all into there. I don't use box dyes very often. I think I've only used them once or twice in my whole dyeing hair ages. So, yeah, I'm not too familiar with this, but then so you empty that into there. Place the cap, cover it with your finger. No. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Shake your There you go. I can feel it getting warm in there. And I'm just gonna put it on the pink part, not any of the darker part. We're not trying to do anything chemical. We're not trying to put chemicals on that just yet. That's gonna have to be bleach. Although this could lighten it, but anyway, so let's see. Yeah, it says, it gives you instructions on how to apply it, but I don't exactly have that much hair, so I'm not gonna section it off into parts and such. It says to leave on for 25 minutes. So we're gonna do that. Now, of course, this should go based on whatever dye you end up using. This isn't a one direction fits all. This is for this particular one. Okay. Yeah, I can literally part it into 2 parts before I have it all covered. So easy. I will give you that. It is so easy. Ooh, that peroxide though. No ammonia, but she got some peroxide in there or something. And I am confident enough in the knowledge I have about doing my hair to not damage mine too bad with this if it were to be damaging, because I will keep an eye on my hair for sure. I know to check it every so often. I've had plenty of fails when I was doing this back in the day, when I was first starting, and plenty of fails with my hair over bleaching and hair falling out and whatnot, but I learned the hard way. I learned with experience. Live and learn, baby. Okay, so it's on there. It looks like, oh wait, this hair came to the other side. Fix that. Make sure everything's saturated. Oh my gosh, it seems like it's working already. It's only been on a couple of minutes, really, but checking the time. And, darn. I am really kind of surprised here. I don't even know if I'm gonna have to keep it on that 25 minutes. Oh wow, I'm really gonna keep an eye on this, because if it's working this fast already, whoa, you guys saw how it looked, and look what it's doing. Okay, so it's working to take it out, and it's looking kind of pretty brassy, which still got another step to do, and I can kind of fix that still. But, so it's definitely working. Now my concern is on whether or not it's going to damage it. And because of the damaging process when doing my hair, I try to wait, because I'm at home, I make it happen over a couple of weeks sometimes to give my hair time to to get its bounce back, to get its oils back, to recuperate a little bit, so to speak. Yeah, so plus, you know, I can just wear something on my hair like I was a while ago, and I don't mind. I mean, I do sometimes, regardless of my hair condition, you know, so it's part of the style that I like, so you know, I can always do that. This is working. I'm so curious for the after one. Like, I'm really, okay, I'm wondering if I should take it off already. I'm gonna leave it on for about 5 more minutes and then check it and go from there. Just a little bit right here. Just a little bit more, just a little bit more. Oh, just a little bit more, just a little bit more. Just a little bit more, just a little bit more, right? Okay. Y'all see that? It's pretty crazy. It's pretty crazy, actually. I'm not ready to wash it off, so I'm like low-key panicking. No, I'm not panicking. I know what to do. I know what to do. So we're gonna go ahead and leave this on for a few more minutes. Dun, 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 dun. That's the intermission. That is our intermission entertainment, okay? Who knew I was so entertaining in my bathroom? Oh, goofy. So it looks like it's not really lifting much more. I mean, it's still pretty amazing considering. Sorry for not looking at you guys. I'm having to look in the mirror quite a bit because I don't want to damage my hair. I don't want you guys to damage your hair. So, it's definitely not making a difference on my darker hair, which I've always wondered if what blonde hair would do to my natural darker hair, but. So the pink is almost gone. Look at that, there's only. Okay, I'm gonna say it's time to wash this out. I will even let y'all watch me do that. So y'all can see the process that I am going through. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and stick my head in here and let y'all watch me. I want y'all to see the whole process, the true process. Oh, that's goldy. Okay, so you want to make sure you have a backup towel, not one of your nice pretty towels. Okay, you always want to make sure that you have a spare towel that you're using, not one of your nice, good, clean, you know, everyday towels or whatever. You would use an old towel. Anytime you bleach, dye, whatever you do to your hair, I suggest using an old towel, just like an old shirt and towel. Okay, so I'm gonna let this dry a minute. I did notice some breakage already, but I can't tell the extent of it, so we're letting it dry a little bit. And my trusty brush. Right now my brush still has pink in it. Pretty soon it'll be a different color. Okay, so, I don't even have conditioner in it. Conditioner always makes it stronger and easier to brush through. Usually when you don't have conditioner, it will break even more, so it seems, and because it gets more brittle. It gets more brittle because the conditioner makes it softer, I guess. And it's not breaking off. Like there was a few pieces, and it seemed like there was a little bit possibly when I was rinsing off, but I mean, you put any chemical in your hair, it's gonna happen. So you can usually tell by that first brush through. And that was actually, I actually have to say this is a success. And this took it off. So we're gonna wait till it's dry and see the condition of it too. I'll share that with y'all when I get back. Okay, so my hair is totally dry now. And this is what it looks like. I'm gonna brush it in front of y'all. It doesn't have conditioner and it is soft. It doesn't feel damaged. Yes, it is obviously chemically processed. Okay, so I just stripped the color off. So, you know, with the color, it's healthier because it has like layers and layers to build it up. And whereas I've just stripped it, and so it feels, but it feels really good. It doesn't even have conditioner in it. It's not tangled. It's not gummy. It wasn't gummy. It's not brittle. It's not falling out. It worked really well actually, and I'm glad I tried it actually. I've tried dye removers in the past, and they were pretty harsh. And my hair wasn't left in great condition, but I am surprised. I am genuinely surprised by this hack. I didn't think that you were supposed to do that. Maybe you aren't supposed to do it, but I did it and it worked. So really hope this was helpful for y'all. And if you try it, let me know how it goes. Let me know about your methods, whatever. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you soon. Everybody stay safe. Bye.